Welcome to NyTravelDiaries, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching this video, you are chosen. You're supposed to learn something from this, take something away from this. And do me a favor, if you found anything in this video helpful, give it a like, give it a comment, and subscribe if you are vibing with Ny. Alright, y'all, so in this video I want to let you know how to travel outside of America. How do I travel outside of America, and what are the things that I need to travel outside of America? Alright, so recently me and my husband went to Cancun, Mexico. Alright, despite what you heard, we took 2 flights and we was good, okay? Alright, sometimes you gotta believe in your higher self, your God self. And if you believe in God, you should not be afraid of anything. You heard? Alright, so anyway, we first of all, you got to have your passport. That's number 1. Have your passport. You want to travel outside of America? Have your passport. Get your passport. Your passport is like $100 and something. No more than $140, I believe. I think it's $130 or something like that, depending on if you renewing or you getting it for the first time and you got to get your picture. But that's another whole different video. But anyway, all right. The second thing is pick a location. Pick a location to where you want to go, right? Okay, now that you have a location, right, and you've picked that location, you book your flight. All right, pick your destination and book your flight. Go to Google Flights, Booking, Expedia, America, Spirit. I mean, did I say America? American Airlines. You know, there's several different ways, and that could be put into another video. But book your flight, okay? Look for the cheapest thing. Alright? So then, the next thing you want to do after you had already booked your flight, you gone. Now, try to travel light, guys. Don't take a lot of stuff. I mean, especially if you're visiting for the first time, you don't know exactly what you're doing, and you always feel like, oh, but I might do this. I might do that. I might do this. Look, no, you're not, okay? I promise you. You still exploring the area, so you really don't know. Unless you're booking things in advance, then that's another story. But anyway, so now that you got your passport, right? You already booked your flight because you know where you're going, right? When you get to the other country, guys, you need a SIM card, okay? Pick the best SIM card for your phone. I had an iPhone and my husband had a Samsung, and we picked, I think, Unifon, this SIM card, and it just didn't work that well with my iPhone. It worked good with my husband's Samsung phone. So pick a good SIM card. So research these things before you get to that country, get that destination, because you need a SIM card, because your phone would not work in another country. Even though my phone did work in Jamaica, but it did not work in Cancun, Mexico. Okay, guys? All right, so get you a SIM card. The next thing you should do is go ahead and exchange your money. Okay, figure out how much money you're going to spend for the duration of time you're going to be there. Go ahead and already flip that money into pesos if you're going to Cancun, Mexico, or Jamaican dollars if you're going to Jamaica, or wherever you're going, to Thai baht if you're going to Thailand. Already, get your money done. Get that out the way. All right, and after that, of course, you want to get transportation. All right, now I have another video on transportation, guys. So if you want to see that video, it'll be linked in the description box below. Go ahead and click it and find out how to get around in a different country. Alright? We went to Cancun, Mexico, if you're curious about that. Alright, so I gave you all those different things, what you need once you're getting out the country. Those things are so important, because I'm telling you guys, all eSIM cards are not for all phones, okay? And then it tell you a certain amount of days, like 7 days, 15 days, you have the internet or whatever. No, okay? Sometimes it's just not the amount of days that they say it is, okay? And sometimes when people try to get over a little bit, so try to learn the language a little bit so they ain't try to get over you, even though, you're just learning the country, but try to learn a little bit of the language, okay? Alright, guys, if any of that helped you out in any sort of way, give it a like and maybe subscribe. If you're feeling me, come back to NyTravelDiaries, and we're going to have more videos about traveling and going and gone.